there's two questions you're gonna ask yourself. What is this doing for the track in a sonic way, or that sound? And what is this going to do for the listener? So when you're thinking sonic, you want to think, what is this doing? Is this adding maybe energy? Is this complementing another sound? Is this uh, accentuating another sound? Is it adding to another sound? Is it contrasting another sound? That's what you want to think about first before you add a new element to your song. And do this for every single element. Not there's certain things which we might take for granted, like we might just say, oh, this kick has a lot of punch, or this snare hits through the mix. Yes, it may hit through the mix, but what characteristic is it adding? You want to be able to describe that. Is it giving a raspiness? Is it giving a punch? Is it giving a smoothness to the song? Um, does it have a certain timbre about it that is adding to the song? You want to think about that. And then once you've thought about that, you now want to ask you the second question. What is this doing for the listener? What is this telling the listener? Is this telling the listener that we are going somewhere? Are we coming from somewhere? Is is this the time that you should start maybe dancing? Is this the time where you should start uh bopping your head? Is this the time where is this where you should cry if it's a certain song? Is this where you should slow down? And it will tell the listener that we are now in a different section of the sound. So if you can answer all those two questions for each and every element, so not take any element for granted, even if it's something like a pad, you want to say, okay, what is it about this pad that I like, that which the listener will also experience? If you do this for each and every sound, in most cases, you should not waste any sound or put any sound that's not necessary. And if you cannot answer these questions during the length of your project, it probably means your project is done.